Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. It feels nice to be back with another video and just to give you a little update on what's been going on with my life and business in general. So in November I gave birth to my beautiful son Jensen, who is currently 10 weeks old. He doesn't sleep much, but I am totally in love with him and the bond we have. Honestly, I struggled a lot in the first month and sometimes I still do, but I take each day as it comes. As you can imagine, most of my time is spent with my son, so business has really slowed down. Being a mother has got to be the most challenging thing I have ever done in my life, and I honestly have so much respect for my mum and all the mothers out there that provide for their children and be the best mum that they can be. So in terms of my Etsy business, I have extended my processing time so I can fulfill orders when I can, but I also struggle to catch up with that as well. And I've not had a chance to create any new decorations or film much lately. I do feel a bit sad about that, but I know that it won't be forever. Overall, I'm trying my best to adapt to my new life and hopefully it does become easier over time and I won't have to give up what I love doing. I know some of you guys genuinely love the work I do and I feel so grateful for all your support, and I appreciate all the comments you guys leave in my videos. I always try to respond to every single one of them. You guys are amazing and I feel like we have a community here that support each other and inspire each other. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video and hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions and please do like it, as it would really help my channel and boost up the views. Thank you all so much and I'll see you in a little bit. If you guys have enjoyed watching my video, please do leave me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully it will be very soon. See you guys.